Hello and welcome to my new video once again. That's not good, is it? But before you continue working here, I want to force you again to
Yes! And?
It's working.
Did you make a mess?
No, I didn't. It's coming.
Where did you... Huh? What is that?
No idea. I want you to keep an eye on your connections. That means look for them now. Shit. Everything's wet. There will be more complaints. Yvonne, do you have a few seconds?
Yeah, wait, I'm coming.
Take it easy. Yeah, sure, I took the size that fits. I'm totally in.
Even with the knees?
Yes, as much as possible, but the machine must be fully visible in the shot.
Yeah, I've got it from the side now.
So, how's it going so far?
The machine is fully in the shot.
Shit, where did I put the pencil? Yeah, I'm already stepping on the gas like a madman here. Oops, no big deal.
But I need my kitchen.
Jump a little and sing a song.
No, you.
Yvonne, can you come here for a moment? I can now hold this in position. We do this by slightly tilting the door, hooking it in, and then moving it toward the dishwasher. And voila, I messed up. God damn this crap. Yeah, can you guys fight somewhere else? Everything okay again? The door finally, we push the door with... I'm sweating a lot. Without a cameraman, it's really stupid. Yeah, I'm almost ready. Guys, let's keep going. How does it look? I'm not all the way up yet, am I?
How am I supposed to see that?
You just put it on, but can't turn it now.
Inspect the rubber before turning.
All right, we've got that. Let's close this thing up.
Be careful, don't bump yourself.
I need those pliers up there.
There it is! Hand inside! The hand is inside. Wait a second.
Dad, the battery is dead.
Yeah?
Yeah, just a second.
All right, here we go. Everyone has to disappear.
Let them sit there.
But quietly.
Can I play?
Quietly, quietly. And now we finally screw our dishwasher to our... Oh, what is it called? No, you were too close, so the screen turned off. The kitchen job is awful in that regard. I'm almost done. Filming takes so much time. So, and now I'll say the outro. And then that's it. So, with that, we've installed and started up our dishwasher. As I said, make sure during the first few wash cycles that all your connections stay tight. What now?
You're not recording, are you?
Nope.
That's not red, it's not red.
Then just press record at the top, please. On the back side. No, at the top. There. Now. Okay, again, second try.
That would have been it.
Water below the inlet. I wanted to ask for a thumbs up. Want to watch more of my videos? No problem, just subscribe to one of my channels or check the notes below where I've linked similar more in-depth videos for you. Those are interesting for you too. Just take a look. Let's just start all over again. So, and with that we come to the end of our video. Our dishwasher is connected. Goodbye, see you next time. Mark on YouTube. I'm sweating like a pig.